If you want to update the WhatsApp app on your Android phone, here's the easiest way. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and search for it. Then tap on the official green icon, WhatsApp app by Meta. If an update is available, you'll see the update button. Simply tap update and wait for it to finish downloading. Download speed depends on your internet speed as well as device performance. After download is completed, it will be automatically installed on your phone. Once done, open WhatsApp and you're now using the latest version. If you don't see the update option, it means your WhatsApp is already up to date. That's how you update WhatsApp on Android in just a few seconds. Like and subscribe for more quick Android tips.